Hi, my name is Melissa Hibberts, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Clarins Toning Lotion. The Clarins Toning Lotion can be found at your better department stores like Nordstrom, Saks, or Bloomingdale's. It's a department store brand. It comes in a couple different formulas, normal to dry skin, or combination to oily. Today we're going to be using the combination to oily formula. Now, the Clarins Toning Lotion, its job is to soothe and moisturize, as well as restore the skin to its natural pH balance. So what you need to apply the Clarins Toning Lotion is either sponge or cotton, but one of the two, not any washcloth or even your hands. So what you want to do is squeeze the product onto your sponge or cotton swab, let it absorb, and then start applying it to your skin, just pressing it in. You really don't want to wipe your skin because you always have to remember your skin is very sensitive. So press the product into your skin and definitely still stay away from the eyes, even though the product is alcohol-free. And you just want to make sure you cover every area, particularly the T-zone where we tend to be oilier the most. So just pat the toner into the skin, into the hairline, underneath the jawline. So once you've done applying this, you're certainly going to feel more smooth and moisturized. So that'll do it. Your skin will feel more smooth and moisturized, and you're ready to apply your makeup.